Hello everyone, it's Sabi again. I'm here with a continuation of the pie dough. This is a part 2. Now we're gonna make chicken pie. I have assembled my ingredients here. I'm going to use chicken breast, soy sauce, turmeric, paprika, salt, rosemary, dried leaves, black pepper, seasoning flavor, coriander, and spring onions, carrot, dania. I have potatoes already peeled, lemon, starch, cornstarch, and I have onions. I have pili pili, chili. Now I'm going to wash my chicken out of camera. It's clean. I'm slicing them to be a little bit thin so that it can boil faster. I will boil my chicken in salty water and I will add ginger and garlic paste. I will leave it to boil for 20 minutes. While it's boiling, I'm going to prepare my vegetables. I will finely dice them. Hi lovelies, I hope you have subscribed. If you're new here, kindly consider subscribing on this channel. Be assured of getting recipes with detail. I will be showing my recipes step by step. Each and every one I will have to share the detail. I promise I'm gonna give you the chicken pie, and now we are on it. I hope you enjoyed the dough pie, because this is a continuation and I'm going to use the dough we made last night for this pie. So you're welcome, and watch the video up to the end. Don't get tired on the way. My chicken is ready. I'll remove them and let it cool for some time as I continue preparing my vegetables. If you happen to have any recipe you might want me to share with you, just comment on the comment section below. If I know the recipe, for sure I will share with you guys. At the moment, let's enjoy this video. It's an interesting video, and just take your time. Don't be in a hurry. Finely diced Irish potato, capsicum, now I'm done with the vegetables prep. I'm going to shred my chicken. I'll use fork to shred my chicken. You can as well use your hands, or you can use food processor to do this. I like my chicken a bit chunky, so I will use the fork to shred it. or we have a very fine chicken there. We are going to prepare the fillings. Already I have oil in my pan and adding onions. I'll fry it a little, adding my ginger paste and garlic. Today it's not turning translucent. I'll add cumin seeds and powder. Give it a good mix. That is rosemary leaves and black pepper. That is pili pili. At this point, I've added all my seasoning flavors and salt. Add your Irish potato. Make sure you wash it well again to remove the excess starch. Give it a good mix. Adding my chicken stock. Give it a stir, then bring it to a boil for 10 minutes before adding it's already done. So I'm going in with the lemon juice and my shredded chicken. Add carrot. Give it a good mix. This one I will cook until the nini is thickened. That is soy sauce. The soup is thickened. Cover it and let it cook. It has started thickening. Now I will add my cabbages. My oho and cabbages. Let it cook for 5 minutes. Cover it, then 5 minutes done. Mix it well. Add cornstarch. Mix your cornstarch with water and add it to your filling. I'm going in with my spring onions. Fold it in. At this point, my chicken filling is ready. And as you can see, it has thickened well. I will garnish it with the coriander. Give it a stir. The filling is ready and thick. The consistency should be like this. Nice, and it smells evenly. I will transfer my fillings into this plate so that it can cool down. I will roll out my pie dough. This is a puff pastry I made last night. It was kept in a freezer, though still very firm. It's cracking because it hasn't cooled down well, though by rolling it out, it's coming out. Don't mind about the cracky ones. We'll cut them off. I will use this meat pie cutter. This is a pie maker. I will egg wash the the pie dough. Brush the egg wash around the edges to help the dough to seal. Put your filling, then close it to seal. There we have a lovely pie. I will repeat the same process with this other piece. Seal well, then remove from the pie maker. In a baking tray, apply some margarine or butter, then dust it with some flour. Since I don't have a parchment paper, this is what I do. If I don't have parchment paper, then I'll place them there as I work on other ones. I will roll out my other puff pastry. Roll it to a rectangle shape. Because this one I want to cut them into rectangle. You see the size, even the edges are showing some layers. Once you've trimmed it, go and ahead and cut it into the size you would want. Egg wash. Apply the egg on the edges. Add in your fillings. Then bring the other half and seal it with your hands. Take a fork and seal the edges. Remember, this is a puff pastry. If you don't seal it, it can puff and the fillings will be out. Then make some hole on the top of the pie. Be gentle, don't break it up to the bottom dough. This also will help release the air as you bake so that it doesn't burst. Repeat the process until all your pies are done. Set your oven at this point, preheat it, set it to 180 degree and timer 40. Give it allowance of 10 minutes of preheating so the pie will cook for 30 minutes. Thank you guys for hanging out with me up to this end. Now I will arrange them in my baking tray and I will egg wash. This egg wash gives the pie the brown color. So if you don't like egg or if you don't use egg, just skip it. You can as well use milk to egg wash or even just leave it, though the egg gives it a good color. My chicken pie are ready. It looks lovely. The color is and the smell here is heavenly, I tell you. Look at it, well sealed and it's puffed well. It's puffed so well, nicely brown. Let's see how the inside. Oh, it's so crunchy, so moist and crispy. Wow, wow, so sweet and spicy, a little bit spicy. Kindly don't forget to subscribe as you enjoy your chicken pie. It was nice having you around. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.